Last time I shared how to make granola at home, even if you don't have oven. So if you have your granola, you can enjoy it with some yogurt and fruits. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make your own parfait at home with your granola and yogurt and just any fruit you have around. So let's get started. These are the fruits I'm going to use. You can use any fruit of your choice. I have here some bananas, mango, apple, and grape. And I have my homemade yogurt, Greek yogurt. The video will be coming up soon. And here is our homemade granola also. If you have not watched the video, I will leave the link in my description box below. I have both how to make granola with your stove and also how to make with an oven. The next thing we're going to do is to prep the fruits I'll be using. I've washed all the fruits. Make sure you wash your fruits thoroughly with salt or baking soda, white vinegar. You can use any of that. You can also use all of them at once. So I've washed this thoroughly. I'll start by cutting my carrot. What's wrong with me now? I'll start by cutting my apples in smaller cubes. Fruits of your choice. I'm also using mango. These are the fruits I have in my house here, so I'm using them. And here we have it. I have combination of red and green apples and the mango. So I'll just sprinkle a tablespoon of lemon juice on it to prevent discoloration. Continue to layer and fill the cup to your satisfaction. And here we have our rich and yummy parfait. Hope you're going to give yourself this treat. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.